Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error with Windows, specifically on Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let's get started. I'm going to show you a couple of different methods. So the first method is very easy. Go to the search bar, type services, click on it. In the services window, look for Windows Biometric Service and double click on it. If the service status is running, and select Stop. Next, open File Explorer, go to this PC, navigate to the local disk, find the Windows folder, locate System32, and within System32, locate WinBio database. Double click on it. And after you've done that, delete everything inside of this folder. Next, go back to the Windows Biometric Service window. Set the startup type to automatic and click Apply. After that, select Start to restart the service. Under the Login tab, check the option for local system account and allow the service to interact with the desktop. Hit Apply and save the changes. Finally, close everything and restart your PC. After restarting, check if the problem is resolved. If not, let's go on to the second method. Method number 2. Search for Device Manager. In Device Manager, expand and find the Biometric Devices section. Right-click on the driver listed under Biometric Devices and click Update Driver. Choose Search Automatically for Drivers, and then search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Next, click Check for Updates. If there are any pending updates, make sure to update them and get your operating system up to date. Once updated, close everything and check if the issue has fixed. If not, move on to the third method. The third method, go to Search, type Run, open it, type gpedit.msc to open up the Group Policy Editor. Expand Computer Configurations, and then Administrative Templates. Next, expand Windows Components and find Biometrics. On the right-hand side, double-click Allow Use of Biometrics and set it to Enable. Click Apply and save the settings. Then double-click Allow Users to Log On Using Biometrics. Set it to Enable. Hit Apply. Hit OK. Close everything. Restart your PC. And after the restart, the problem should be resolved. Thank you very much.